see where we at. We're gonna do a little POV, a little night drive tonight, y'all boys. I try to use a GoPro. My GoPro is not working. So I'm gonna have to drive one hand today. Yeah. She look clean. I just gave her a car wash. I gotta clean my rims though. But yeah, let's get this little night drive going. That Toyota loud. I'm like, damn, that's not 100, man. I'm in kilometers. Oops. I gotta put gas, bro. Brake for no reason. You gotta be nosy. But, motorcycle. And that shit caught on fire too. I had to stop at the gas station real quick. Put some gas. We're gonna put some gas in, then we gonna hit the road again. There's a truck, something like that. Got a little Corvette. See, in Miami, you gonna find every car. I swear. Damn, get out his way, man. recording a little TikTok. I'm locked in this month. For real, I'm locked in. Getting good content. This is a little POV night drive in Miami. Y'all let me know what y'all think. We're getting that good content, man. Gotta get the angles, man. Like I was saying though, man, I'm gonna record a little more if my camera don't die though. But I try to record as much as I can. This camera's battery life is not good. Y'all let me know what I should do though. I'm planning on lowering it. Gotta lower it. And I wanna lower it. Buying a new hood. For sure I'm buying a new hood. And yeah, I like setting goals for myself, man. Y'all get me to 500, I'll buy a new camera. And then after 500, we gonna set on a 1,000 subscriber goal. But for the 500, y'all give me the 500, I'll buy a new camera. It's better than this one. Costs more than this one. And yeah. Like I said, I like setting goals for myself, man. Y'all help me set that goal. For 1,000, I'm gonna think about it. But for 500, it's the camera. 1,000 gonna be something for the car though. I'm just starting off, you know. Y'all give me the 500. Security coming. And we gotta leave. So what? Thank you. We're just recording a little video real quick. That boy kicked us out. You see what we do for the content, man? Yeah, boy. I gotta go pick him up.
Well, duh.
Get in, buddy. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and get me to 500 subscribers, man. Yessirskiii.